No cold morning misfire. The engine is rebuilt, but old cars are famous for a misfire first thing in the morning. It's usually the head gasket. So this one does have a new aftermarket head gasket, and I should have used an original one. Another thing to note is the smell. Like, it's a little bit stinky coming out of here, which is fine, but if it's sweet or a heavy smoke, this is actually running rich, which is normal for a cold start. So you're gonna run more fuel coming out of there, but that is a little bit smoky and stinky. But sweet is the problem, or big clouds of smoke or black smoke. And our mileage is 111 so far, and it's used exactly half a tank of gas. So an old car is not going to be very fuel efficient, especially considering this thing's four-wheel drive, so it's hauling around an extra differential in the rear. Dad was surprised the truck did so good off-road, but that's no surprise with a Toyota four-wheel drive. Legendary off-road capability. But the range on a 17-gallon tank is going to be about 220 miles because we're exactly at half a tank. The fuel range is a little bit debatable because we did a whole bunch of off-roading, but that was very low speed, not too much throttle, but we'll have to see. Old car surprise, so everything I thought was good, you know, it started.